Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my boys' bathroom. It was overdue. I needed some TLC. Just wanted to take you guys along with me to give you some cleaning motivation, so hopefully you'll find something to clean along with me. If this is something you're interested in seeing, keep watching.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize.
So just starting out, I took some of this Comet with bleach and poured it into the toilet bowl just so that it can soak for a while I pick up the boys' bathroom.
You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak.
Next, I'm just going to be using this Blue Diamond product from Norwex. This is what I'm going to be using in a spray bottle with water to clean down the shower as well as the countertops. So again, I'm just spraying down the shower so that can soak also while I clean the bathroom.
Hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right.
That little yellow bar there is a Fells Naphtha bar soap for laundry, so I'm just putting that away. I'll use that sometimes to try to remove hard stains from the boys' clothes. And for cleaning, I love using these little rags that I get from the Dollar Tree. They come in a multi-pack. I forget how many you get. I think I ordered some new ones from Walmart, but typically I'll purchase these at the Dollar Tree just because they're cheaper. But I'll wash these and reuse these over and over again, and they last a while. They don't smell or anything like that. This little blue container is where the boys keep all of their hair products, and I realized it needed cleaned out, so I just gave that a good rinse. A lot of times the boys will get toothpaste and other gunk build up on their cabinets, so I'm just wiping those down as well. If you guys have seen any of my other cleaning videos, you know that for mirrors, I love just using plain water with the Norwex rag. It's just so much quicker that way. I'm all about keeping it simple. This is the only drawer in their bathroom that was really dirty, so I'm just giving it a good wipe down.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away.
Moving back into the shower, I'm just going to spray it down once more and then wipe it clean.
No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying. Trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so
To wipe down the outside of the toilet, I like to use the disinfecting wipes.
I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my
And then I also like to give the trash can a good wipe down as well.
I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
I've been holding on for so long, I can't remember why. The fire's gone, I'm all burnt out, the embers have gone dry. I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need
After cleaning the toilet, I always like to give my hands a good wash.
me strong. No, I've got courage.
Moving on to floors, I'm just going to use this little sweeper, get it wet with some water, and I'm going to use that same Blue Diamond spray for the floor. And last but not least, I'm going to take this Angel Blossom scent and just spray a little bit of this in the bathroom just so it smells nice and fresh and clean. And here is the completed clean bathroom. I hope this inspired you guys to clean something in your home. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and hopefully you'll stick around for more videos like this and subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.